everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Yati. I hope you all are doing well and learning English every day. So this is the morning time and today I'm shooting this video in the morning. Yeah, this is the morning time. It's around 7 a.m. and here I'm making this video to upload on YouTube. So this is the day 24 of my English learning journey and here I'm going to share with you that how I practice and how to practice anyone how can practice, what is the easiest way to practice. So here first thing you can observe that I'm speaking English with by using this phone, means by just opening this camera and just started speaking. So first thing you have to do, just you have to record yourself, and the main thing that I'm doing every day here, and I have completed my 23 days and it's a day 24 of my speaking English consistently. And or even I speak English for 5 6 minutes or 7 minutes, sometimes 8 also. But so this is the thing that helps me to improve my fluency. So you have to record yourself, right? And second thing that will be coming in your mind, that what to speak. So you have to speak just what is in your mind. So for example, right now I'm sitting under this tree. Yeah, under this tree I'm sitting over here, and here I'm speaking about what I'm doing for practicing. So this is already in my mind. I do not try to means make a script. I do not try to ask to someone. I'm just speaking what is in my mind. So here first, like I have spoken so many times about my surroundings, about any story that is already in my mind. So I just try to speak something that I already know. And to be honest, I don't make script and I don't memorize something. Or sometime if I make a script, so that I only speak that script 3 or 4 times. So here right now I'm just standing and trying to speak. So first thing you have to do, that you have to record yourself, and second thing, what to speak. So here you have to speak about your surroundings, you have to speak about your trip, you have to speak about any story. Uh, you can speak about your hobby or something that is already in your mind. So for example, you visited somewhere, so talk about your trip, because that is already in your mind. And it is in Hindi, I know it is in Hindi, it will be difficult to describe that thing in English. But yeah, this is the easiest way to practice, because you no need to memorize that thing. Okay, so don't afraid of making mistake. I'm already making mistake, but still I'm making these videos to improve my fluency. And here you can see the improvement, right? So here what you have to do, like you are speaking about any trip, so just uh, pick up 3 or 5 vocabulary and use that vocabulary while speaking. Why I'm saying this because this will help you to enhance your vocabulary. For example, you are speaking about any trip, you visited somewhere, so you can choose first word is like captivating, that means dhyan khichna. Like you can say like that place was really very captivating. And second word that you can use is like it was a memorable moment. This is also means word that help you to speak, and it will help you to remember your vocabulary. Because if you try to memorize and you will forget because you are not using that word. So first of all, choose any 3 and 5 words as much you are comfortable, and try to speak while talking about your trip, while talking about your means surrounding anything. So first word that that I told you, captivating. Second, you can use memorable. And third you can use like enrich. Enrich means gyan badhana, anubhav badhana, something like this. So I can say like it was an enriching experience because I met people from different countries, from different backgrounds, like this. And the fourth word that you can use like serene. Serene means peaceful, calm. So you can say like it was really very serene place, and I was very comfortable with that place. So these words will help you a lot to enhance your vocabulary. And if you're talking about yourself, so just also try to use pick up 3 or 5 words and try to speak every day. And here I'm also making my videos only about something that is already in my mind, because how I am practicing here. So I'm just trying to speak about it. I no need to memorize it. So this is the easy way to practice, and you can also practice of your speaking every day, and you will definitely make mistake, but don't get afraid of making mistake, because it will help you a lot to improve your fluency, improve your English, right? So I have finished. I just talked about what was in my mind, and now I'm going to stop this video. It is going to around 5 minutes. Now I will be meet with my day 25 of my English learning journey. Till then, bye bye.